everyone, it's Robin, R.S. Island Crafts, and welcome to my studio. This is my Advent series. We are on Advent day number 21. This is kind of heavy. I think it's like those Dots candies. Actually, maybe it's 2 boxes of candy or 1 big box. I think it's a big box like for the Warheads. Those Dots candies. If it's the Dots candies, it's fine. I like the Dots candies. But those are kind of like, really, they take a while to chew on them. But when I first picked this up, it reminded me of those Lifesaver books. Every Christmas, I used to get them as a child. And then I bought them for my kids. You would open it up, and there would be all different Lifesaver candies in it. And then for my kids, like me, I loved getting like the butter rum roll of Lifesaver candies and stuff. Yum. And then for my kids, it was more like the gummy Lifesavers and stuff like that. And it just slowly started going away. But I think I saw them a couple years ago still. Did you send me one of those storybooks with the Lifesaver candies in it, my friend? I don't think you did, but let's open it up and see what it is. Sour or sweet? Sour or sweet? Chewy or hard? Chewy or hard? Oh, that's so funny. That's so funny. That is hilarious. Oh, it's just hilarious. Really, I think I've gotten it twice now, because look, it's Dots. It had that weight to it, and it had that feel when you shake it this way, and when I went like this, you couldn't squeeze it, so I really was like, I nailed it. It's Dots, and it's also the Christmas puppy dog fabric. Now let's see if I sent any candy to my friend. Happy Advent Day 21, my friend. It looks like we're going through the garden. We have 3 more of the flower fabrics for you. You can make a nice little fun flower quilt or maybe a tote bag. I'm also popping in a pair of these little small scissors. They're always handy to have inside your craft bag. I keep small pairs of scissors all over my craft room, in my project bags, by my sewing machine, in the desk drawers. They're everywhere. That was fun. I can't believe I got it right. So thank you so much, my friend. I love the Christmas fabric with the little bones on it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.